In today's video, we're going to talk about GPTs inside ChatGPT. If you haven't seen the previous video about prompts, I recommend you to watch it first. For those that don't know me, my name is Javier Bandera. I'm a 23-year-old entrepreneur, founder of AI Pro, my own AI agency where we deliver AI solutions to businesses and entrepreneurs. If you're interested in these services, I will leave my contact email in the description. So what exactly is a GPT? Think of them as a customized version of ChatGPT, but with specific instructions, knowledge, and even files. Instead of getting generic responses, your GPT can be trained to act like a marketing assistant, a coding expert, or even a fitness coach. Unlike traditional AI models that require complex programming, GPTs can be built using a simple no-code interface inside ChatGPT. So how does this work? GPTs work by letting you define custom instructions, add knowledge files, and integrate APIs. This means that you can fine-tune how do they respond. You can define their personality or even their area of expertise. Imagine having an AI talking only on Shakespearean English, or one that gives you invest advice in real-time data. So let's get into ChatGPT to see how this works and how can we build our own GPT. Okay, so now we are on ChatGPT. We should go on the left top corner on this side, and here where it says explore ChatGPT. Okay, here is the main menu of GPTs that you can explore and see all the different GPTs that are already on the GPT store. There's tons of GPTs, super useful. So how do we create our own GPT? Okay, so how do we create our own GPT for our personal needs? On the right top corner, it says create. We should click there. And this display shows the name we will put to our GPT, the description, and the instructions, where here it goes the prompt. On the past video, I highlighted the importance of these prompts. So I recommend you to see that video before doing this so you can have the best results. Okay, so for this example, I will make a marketing GPT. For creating the prompt for our GPT, I will use another GPT. Yes, you can do this. Train GPTs with other GPTs. So I recommend you to use this one. This one is really good. So I will put here create a prompt for a marketing GPT. Okay, so here it gives the role, the task, details, context, examples, and notes about how this GPT should do any task. So this prompt follows all the lineups that we mentioned on the previous video. So I will copy and paste, and we can also upload files if it's required for your GPT to know any specific thing about the need that you have. So we click on create on the top right corner, and we can decide who will have access to this GPT. It's only for me, with anyone with a share link, or it will be available for anyone. I will put for only me. Okay, and here we have our customized marketing GPT. So I will ask him a question. I will say, how can you help me to see what its capabilities? Okay, so this GPT can help us with marketing, strategy and growth, SEO and content marketing, social media marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, branding and messaging. And here we can ask him anything about marketing. So I think that this is very valuable for any business. So what are other examples of what can we do with these GPTs? Other examples can be business automation. So companies can use custom GPTs to handle customer support, automate emails, or generate reports. Also content creation. This can be writers and YouTubers create AI assistants to generate video scripts, blog posts, and even social media content. Also on creativity and art. Some users make AI-powered brainstorming, tools for story writing, design inspiration, or music composition even. Also, you can use it for personal productivity. You can build your own GPT to summarize books, schedule meetings, or track your habits. So now we're going to see how we can use this to post for LinkedIn. But you will tell me, well, but I do not see how you're going to do this because it's going to look like a robot make this. But no, the good thing is that an AI expert, we can do this in a way that it doesn't look like a machine did it. So the interesting thing here is to train the GPT on a way that it knows how we humans will do it. We should put examples of how we want him to write the post. So let's get into it. So as we said before, it's very important how do we give these prompts to the artificial intelligence, because if you don't do it well, it cannot give you back the results that you're expecting. Maybe it will get results like something that is clearly made by an AI, and we don't want this. So let's do it on the right way. So I will use the prompt GPT to do this prompt because it makes all the work easier. So let's get into it. Okay, so I put here, create a prompt that sounds human-like American English for a LinkedIn post about AI. So here it gave us a LinkedIn post that I think that it's good. I mean, it's not that bad. It sounds pretty much like something that you will write on LinkedIn, and it's not like very obvious that an AI did this. Also, with this prompt creator GPT, I put here create a prompt for email AI assistant, and here it gave me the role, tasks, specific details, context, samples, and notes. The good thing here is that we can like copy it and modify it as we desire. We can add any note or, well, modify the examples, the context, or details. I mean, you can customize this, but it gives you a very good structure of your prompt, and you can use this on your own GPTs. So let's see how the GPT with this prompt works. Okay, so I will put here, hi, can you email? Okay, so something simple. Hi, can you email Emma to see at what hour we have the meeting? So let's see what it gives back. So it was a simple question, and it gives a simple answer. Well, here we can see it's the subject. Hi, Em, I hope you're doing well. I just want to check what time our meeting is scheduled for tomorrow. Let me know when you have a chance. Looking forward to it. And that's it. I mean, it's very good, and you can use this on your day by day. I think that this saves you like a 90% of time of writing down the emails, and it sounds like more human and not that robotic. Now I encourage you to go and create your own GPTs to explore this, to see how they can help you on your business or on your daily life to be more productive. I hope that you like this video, and I'm here to resolve any question that you might have.